My name is Bill Stewart. The name of our company is Medicare Savings Pro. Our motto is don't expect what you don't inspect. And this is the first of three short videos that hopefully will help you in your decisions, ongoing decisions in terms of joining and now applying for Medicare from the federal government. We'd like to start with a statement, one you perhaps have heard many times, like I have. Uh, Somebody says, I get that, or I hear you. What does that imply? It implies that they have the same or on the same page, a like understanding, they think, of what you're trying to get across. Well, that's why we started a Medicare Savings Pro. Because when it comes to making a decision about your Medicare supplement and joining Medicare, uh, I think it's a very unique person with a lot of time on their hands that can make and decide on a plethora of overwhelming decisions on what is the best course or the best opportunity for them and their family. And these are big decisions to make. I mean, it almost becomes like a monkey on your back, kind of like tax time every year, because you know that decisions you make not only are going to impact you during initial enrollment, but also could impact you and your family for years ahead financially, even threatening fixed dollars now, fixed retirement dollars that are very precious to you. So you want to use them wisely and make sure that when it comes to health matters, that your health dollars are being spent the right way. Here's the question. Would you agree with that? Does that make sense? If so, then good. You need to continue to listen. I hear you because my wife and I 3 years ago turned 65, and we were just bowled over by how many decisions there was to make. And questions came to our mind like if there's 10, which there are 10 different programs offered by the federal government as terms of programs that they offer, then which one was the best for us? Which supplement should we take? Because they were all directed by the federal government. Second of all, was that the thought came to us, among other things, was there any penalties or fines similar again to tax time that if we didn't make decisions in the proper time, that we could be held responsible and perhaps financially responsible as well. And so these kind of decisions made that monkey, or these thoughts of that monkey was getting bigger and bigger. And knowing that we had a certain time element as well to make that, turning 65 has a window to it, as you no doubt know. There's only so many months that within 3 months after you turn 65, you have to have made these decisions. And so the question for you is, then as you hear this, this rings a bell to me. I get this. Does it make sense? If not, quite frankly, do something else because that's what we're talking about, and we're trying to reach people that are in this particular situation. And so, if you are in that, and you do get this so far, then let's keep talking. And first, let me introduce myself. I said my name is Bill Stewart, which is true. I've been married for 38 years, 34 years rather, and we lived in Durham, North Carolina, for over 30 years. I have four grandchildren, who are the most handsome, brightest, most intelligent children in the state of North Carolina. If you met them, I'm sure you would agree. I'm semi-retired now, and I spend over 70 hours a month in volunteer work, but I'm also a licensed insurance agent in the state of North Carolina who specializes in Medicare supplements. I have a younger partner who's also younger and better looking than me. His name is Robert Hamilton. He's been in the IT business for 25 years, which means to you that any transactions you ever do with Medicare Savings Pro in the future are the safest possible they can be because his expertise is there to guarantee that. And also, being a younger man, he will be there for the years ahead to help continue, even if necessary, and sometimes it is a yearly basis, to make ongoing decisions about your health care and your Medicare supplements as well. So Medicare Savings Pro is an independent insurance agency that can represent all the major insurance companies in the state of North Carolina. And that way we can get you the best company at the lowest price for exactly the same coverage that another company might be offering at a higher cost or higher price. We provide all of this with no obligation to you. It's a long-term safety net to best protect your health part or the health part of your retirement. If you hear this, if it makes sense to you, please continue and listen to the second video that we have here that is equally as short and hopefully impactful, which is entitled The ABCDs of Your Medicare Decision. Thank you and have a good day.